function keys on ThinkPad laptops are a quick way to navigate your computer without having to click through multiple menus. This video will take you through the updated ThinkPad function keys layout for your 2020 ThinkPad devices. In order to utilize the functions, make sure the FN lock is not active. Hold down the FN key and press escape to toggle the FN lock on and off. Audio controls are found on the F1 through F4 keys. F1 mutes and unmutes audio. F2 lowers speaker volume. F3 increases speaker volume, and F4 mutes and unmutes the microphone. The F5 and F6 keys control your display's brightness. F5 lowers brightness, while F6 increases brightness. If you are using an external monitor for working or giving a presentation, you can use the F7 key to access options to manage the external display. You can toggle between PC only, duplicate, extend, or second screen only. The F8 key activates airplane mode on your computer. To turn airplane mode off, simply press the F8 key again. The previous 8 function keys will work on any ThinkPad laptop. The F9, F10, and F11 keys have been updated for newer devices. Use the F9 key to open and close your computer's notification center. The F10 key will answer incoming calls. F11 will hang up ongoing calls. You can also use F11 to decline incoming calls. The F12 key will open Lenovo Vantage. There are several useful hidden FN key functions for common tasks. Hold the FN key and press spacebar to change the keyboard backlight. Inside of Lenovo Vantage, you can see more of these keys in the Input and Accessories tab. Click the device drop-down menu in the top right and navigate to Input and Accessories. This page will show you the different function keys on your device. As you scroll down the page, you will see options to toggle on your special functions. At the bottom of the page, you can change your F12 key to another user-defined action. Select between Open Applications or Files, Open Website, Invoke Key Sequence, or Enter Text. These special functions make navigating your ThinkPad easier and more efficient. Try them out and see which works best for you. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.